Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
You are still taking. The thing is that, as far as I'm concerned, since we met you people 500 years ago, look at us. We've given everything. You are still taking. It's true. I mean, where would the whole Western world be without Africa? Our cocoa, our timber, our gold, our diamonds, our platinum, our whatever. Everything you are is us. I am not saying it, it's a fact. And in return for all of this, what have we got? Nothing. Anti-personnel indoctrination against ourselves. If you go and cook your horrible diseases like AIDS, you say it is us. You brought us tuberculosis. We didn't have this big cough until white people came here. In exchange for Africa giving Europe 500 solid years of our people, I mean not Europe, the Western world, of our human beings to work your canes, to dig your gold, to taking gold itself, diamond, I mean fish, peanuts, palm oil, everything. In exchange for that, we have got nothing. Nothing. And you know it. Nothing. And you look upon, white folks look upon us like monkeys. It is true. It's in your literature. Hey, some of your best thinkers have said this about us. Have you heard of all these Germans? Have you heard? Yes. They said Lord Burton, people like that.
Good everyone, please make sure you share. God bless you.
Have the brain of animals.
Comrade Roland Omodian, God bless you in a hurry.
But don't you
Humble
think
Prince, God bless you. I think
over where?
Ebenawe Nonderu, God bless you. God bless you.
Who said that 8 came from the green monkey? Is it over? Is it over?
Well, if this is your impression, do you think that you can ever forgive us?
It's not a question of forgiveness. I have nothing against you. My point is that you did and you are doing for your survival what is necessary.
Yes.
We can't blame you for that. The fact that we didn't do enough for our own survival and we are still not doing enough for our survival, that is not your problem. Even everybody that God has created has a sense of survival. And until if we don't develop it, we can't. You took gunpowder from the Chinese. You needed them to shoot people.
Yes. Do you know the reason why I choose to use this very video as a music? Because it's that time we begin to face reality of life. Particularly now, everybody's getting old. For those of you that know me 2018, the body don't change. Nothing on the face right now. It's getting stronger every day by day. And it's that time when we wake up in the morning, let's always look ourselves in the mirror. The person you see in the mirror out there, it is just you. And just imagine it well what you have went through. Most of us will grow up living a very... I'm not going to pray. I'm not going to pray. Don't just... You may be surprised. The topic don't start with that. We are not going to be observing any protocol today. Rather than that, declare this very broadcast open the name of God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit. We can no longer be bandit devil. No. Because some of the problem we are going through today, I really found out that we are the cause of it by ourselves. That was why yesterday we talked about decisions. So there are category of decisions. The decision our political ballot have made, that's why we remain like this today. And inside that same scenario, there is extra decision you made on your own. Even as you are living in a lawless society, you also take another extra decision that would have make you to say, okay, now we don't want this thing, let it be like this. So we choose to live our life like this. Now, you grow up as a strong man, because there are a lot of things, particularly our set right now, those of us we do abortion tired that year. You know what it takes when you came back, when you are being brought up from a family whereby they see they can you there, as you don't even big retard yourself, if you commit anything, you know what we went through. Think about the life of the children we are giving birth to right now. What you yourself couldn't do, who have experienced life, what you couldn't live. That is society we are going to live down. Now, I'm going to be, if you look at the heading, I'm going to be showing us a video right now. That's why I call for the people that live in the UK. I'm still going to count it as if nothing is happening, but we have to say it as if something is happening. We have to do it as if something is already happening. I will not explain it, but I want to play it to our hearing before we will proceed. So that everybody will be getting it all that no matter where you eat today, no matter where you are today, there's nothing like your ancestral ground when your country is good. In life, you have four tires. Your car have 4 tires. You still have spare. Do you know the reason why you put spare? At times, some spare tire in your car is just to make sure whenever time you go for journey, it must carry you back home. Because some of the tires are very tiny. Here in Spain, those tiny tires cannot pass ITV. You use it temporarily until you fit in another tire. Why there are some tires, as soon as one bursts, you just put that one. The other one fits in last 10 years. If you repair the other one, you keep it aside again. Now, what am I trying to buttress is this. I want to make us feel something very ridiculous today. Because not until we start walking in the midst of the ridiculous, there's not going to be miracle in our society. So listen to this, then begin to use your tongue to count your teeth. For those of us that feel comfortable, my life is good, I live in the UK, I have passport in UK, I have European peace and all that. Where is your origin? Where is your origin? And what is wrong if you join about fixing up your origin? That's why still in Nigeria today, it will come to a time they will still ask you, please, the state of your origin. You have to still feel it in your phone. So let's just play this video.
We at the government are all very grateful that I'm from.
Just watch it out. Let's play it serially. Because I want now. Because now they put on the same they share and I make me want to do. So if you invite Boris Johnson.
The government. And today I want to unveil our new message to immigrant key workers. Get out. We at the government are all very grateful that you've been risking your lives to take care of us in hospitals, to grow our food, to deliver us post, to keep us clean, drive our buses, trains and taxis, and, well, do all the vital things that have kept this country running during the pandemic. But we need to let you know that once this pandemic has been sorted, we don't really want you in the country anymore. Which is why we've announced new immigration policies that would class the vital work you've been doing as low skilled. Under our new points-based system, anyone earning less than £25,600, which is pretty much every key worker I mentioned earlier, will no longer be considered as having any worth whatsoever.
Our approach to the points-based system is for the brightest and the best. It's for the high skills that we do need. So yes, we will bring overall numbers down by reducing the number of people with low skills coming to the United Kingdom.
So yes, you may be the only thing stopping us from dying from a fatal illness or starving to death, but because you don't earn enough, we just don't consider you the brightest and the best. But I don't want you to think we don't value your contribution. So, we've extended all visas for immigrants working in healthcare by 1 year. We know you have enough to worry about, with the daily threat of spreading and catching COVID-19, made worse, of course, by the lack of adequate PPE. So, rest assured, we won't kick you out until we no longer need you. So finally, on behalf of the government, to all our key workers who are doing so much for the country, Thanks a lot. Now leave.
Can somebody call and explain this? Because you know, say me not they stay Great Britain. I not to understand the English. When I were all Baswell we go remember well from the combo. For those of us where they form. Okay, what about this? What they really mean? Because before somebody like this, because this person not be Agbero. This person not be Agbero, and we are calling upon Boris Johnson to come and explain this one to us, the meaning of this. This is a very big threat. And now, do you know the people they are trying to evict right now from UK? They are most of our brothers who work in the healthcare, you know. So after all their services they are rendered, they are now calling them low-skill worker. You hear from his mouth. That's what you get. You know, everything in life have expiring date. So now only we come down now, we don't get expiring date here. Then how we? Because one thing I'm not really getting clear. Up to today, most of the people we're expecting there will be a voice. I never knew they're going to become an echo. How are we going to leave this very thing? Okay, like for me now, for example, I'm not trying to brag here. I'm a professional worker. I'm an officer primera. When it comes to building, let's assume such a thing happen in Spain. Then they pack the people who are professional workers, go one side. Then the rest people, where are they going? Now, for somebody to stand up and speak for a country of about 60-something million people, that this the kind of mind they have right now, I think this is the highest inhuman I've ever seen in my life. If we really want to, maybe how which our resources will be managed well, UK for come to borrow money from our hands. And funny enough today, most of our politicians, they still have money to carry to UK. At the end of the day, they will still lose the money there. Do you know how many houses they have seized from our politicians? Do you know how many houses? Shame not they let them talk come out. How many money looted to UK? Have you ever said that the UK government they return to Nigeria? Now the America don't try them now. Because those ones they still believe say man, the economy is good, they don't even need your money. What they need, call us for security, will come and secure you. So how many people in UK have been able to interpret this? Because I look at this man is not insane. This man is not insane. This man must be in government. If not, we are going to order for the government of the day to invite this man, the reason why he's passing this threat. And there's another video again. They are debating it already. Whether it's Boris Johnson government that is saying the low-skill worker, now they want to start putting their people in. Let me play another video for you. Before I go back to this very one again. There is another video I want to play for you now. Before we go to the other one again. So the problem we have here is that we like to watch the movies or whatever we want to watch are those things that will make us feel happy for one day, then our future will also be at stake. Most of us, we have suffered. We have suffered in this Europe. We travel to UK to continue the suffering because there is no enjoyment there. So that's why I do pray for all children so that they will grow up so that may they still have their power, their man. Most of us, we have seen life. We don't do this Gary tire for house. We don't make Gary tire. So now this is the suffer we day to day. But people don't really believe that, yes, hand don't meet us well. We know they believe and say hand don't meet us well. All we just think is rosy because maybe if you are a woman, your face can still take pancake and all of that. If man want old, now once the old day just they come, it just be like times people will just pour come out for your face. Imagine you are 60 years today. 15 years from now, it's just tomorrow, yeah. When did I leave home? I'm still looking at it yesterday. I leave home March 15, 2013. No, 2003, sorry. I'm still looking at it yesterday. Everything is still fresh in my memory. Each day, I still remember how my father prayed for me. So what are we talking about? And all of us are getting weak already. 15 years from now, even the two flats you managed to build, maybe 10 at what you put there, don't maga. You have to continue renovating it. And if I thought, okay, now lay down, you won't try it, you want to go home. What are you taking home from here? What techniques are you taking home? What knowledge have you been able to acquire? Now, this one now brings me back to the issue of politics in our states. Then, why is our political space today, our politics at home, they still talk about their personal self? I've never seen any APC now, apart from the present government, even the people worrying the government. Please, I will always put this thing because this is the thing that is worrying us today. We need to change these narratives. If Edo State must remain as Edo State, now you and I go change them, not be them with their house. Because they themselves at home, they are being immune to the system. There are things I can no longer do right now. I can no longer do it. When I was at home, my head, my bed, I bugger you in those days. Now I have money lay. That's why the pity people now will say you strong. My dad will bugger you now. That year when they go school, you must bam up. I boo where we are go where. Oh, why am I fake man? But now, when those times when we were growing up as a children, we can no longer do those things again. The environment we need right now is an environment that consists of good things, where all law and order is the order of the day. I mean, when Makaton, I'm getting old every day, but now I go to see on computer building, or you come to tell me say the person you just busting head. What you busting head for? You not even reach out of insult what they receive for social media. Most of our boys for I carry their name go coven, made them know so now you carry their name go. They'll come kill you for her. But here in a month we talk our own. We'll quarrel, we'll rest. You'll see some people right now, they insult their parents, their mama. Before you know, they don't still forgive because there's not that thing that they can do. Now, we are talking about a society that will go tomorrow. At least you'll pack your load from jam. So, okay, I just see what Iveri. None of us can still risk it. We have brought, if you are watching right now, maybe you are my age group, maybe your sister sponsor you abroad, and your senior brother sponsor you abroad. Hotel where you go stay, then not go fit stay because they see the fear. Because even during the time where they take grow up, I'm talking about people who don't do about 60 years, close to 70. What I can take, they don't fit take on. Because most of our friends, their health still they hot. You still remember the last fight when I go busy man. You just pick and light for and all that, you know. So it has been struggling. It's like in the kingdom of God, how John the Baptist explained it. Jesus Christ explained it in the book of Matthew 12 verse 11. He says, since the day of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God na gragra. Now let people when they do gragra, they take them by force. So it has been like that. Now we are walking, heading towards civilization. We should be able to have a better society, a society that is consistent, that consists of both people who go gumagala. They will use their mat like that for their outside. Just the way it was during the time of our fathers in the 60s, 70s, 80s. Up to late 90s. But right now, politics have now become a coven that you must go there. And they are even going there. They are not going there for the betterment of the state. They are going there for themselves. Then why will you allow somebody to come out talking about party, not the development of the state? How they are going to be carried along, or how they were neglected personally. Then why did state existing? Should we start praying may war come? So that may revolution just come. Like what happened in Tsunami. Because Aragmaro say it's comfortable for them. They like it like that. But it's supposed to be a society where everybody go like them. For how long are we going to continue like this? Or for those of us in social media, for how long are we going to keep on playing away our destiny? Let me show you another video again before we proceed.
Heading to is a country where the government wants.
Just
where
listen.
we're clearly heading to is a country where the government.
Just watch out, watch out, watch out.
Where we're clearly heading to is a country where the government wants care workers to be British born, Owen.
Care worker to be British born. This is the other video different from this very one. Then how many of us is concerned about this and what's about to happen? These are another COVID is on this way. This might be COVID-20. The reason why I'm saying all this, I feel for everybody. So the mind I have is not different. Maybe when I was growing up, I used to have mine. Let me just, at least my friend go do okay. Even my enemy right now, I want them to be even be okay. or till when waiting then go do go see affect them, you know. I know the Bible says we should pray for our enemy. It all depends. Now you know the prayer where you want to pray. Now who can any British person call there? Britain not there. Muna explain this in English. Muna can't explain that to us. So the reason why you guys are folding your hands, feeling comfortable, we have excess work there. Is in my mind to even go to the Britain, me I go do at least where I can be collecting, me I go extract their money from what waiting and know. I will win them normal money. In my deck, I go bought. I wait 6 months in my bill. I will know how many thousands of euro will carry. Because the strength is here and the techniques is here. I have it that on it, you know. Now, our brothers who became auxiliary in nursing, because most people right now, they tell you they are nurses or they are doctors, they are just ordinary auxiliaries. Because even a rare mark babung be UK, the mark yana mime, even a boom. Why every money have view, artifact in view, I don't know. They use all our people right now. They are now coming out with different skills. That British-born citizens now want to do care workers. So let's go there. Let's play the video in full.
Where we're heading to is a country where the government wants care workers to be British-born, Owen.
Yeah, in fact, let's stop calling these workers low paid. Let's call them what they are, badly paid. I find this absolutely grotesque. Every Thursday, we're all expected to clap, 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 to cheer, to bang our pots and pans. That's what I certainly do. Whilst at the same time, we are saying, and this is what this government is now saying, that if you earn less than 25,600 quid, you are a low-skilled worker. Stare a care worker in the face, look at them in their eyes as they are caring for some of the most desperately vulnerable people during a deadly pandemic, and tell them they are low-skilled workers. Many of those care workers are migrant workers who we are telling now, as a government, I'm not part of the government, but the government are telling those people that we did not ideally want you to come here. And take at the moment the surcharge for using the National Health Service. Migrant health workers at the moment are expected to pay 400 quid, and it's now rising to 625 quid. Several migrant health workers have died during this pandemic trying to save lives, expected to pay for a healthcare system which they themselves are directly propping up. If there's one thing we learned...
Okay, but those are people who are here now. What is wrong, Owen, with the government saying from now on, we're going to have a generation of possible university graduates with no hope of a job? They should now refocus and start looking at becoming care home workers. So we need 21-year-olds to go into care homes to work there.
I think we should encourage anybody who wants to be a care worker to become a care worker. And one of the ways we can do that is to pay, and these are not low-skilled jobs, they are essential jobs. That's what we should be talking about. And we should be paying them properly, proper wages, and improving their terms and conditions. Absolutely. But at the moment, we've got a shortage of care workers, as it is. If you want more British-born workers arbitrarily to be doing care work or propping up the NHS, and without migrant workers, the NHS would collapse like that. If you want that, then support investing in actually training people up, giving them a proper wage, giving them good, decent terms and conditions. Right. But the idea we bait migrant care workers and NHS workers and say they're not essential, or we're not grateful for them as we clap them as they die in some cases, is genuinely repulsive.
Now, you can see there are several news already. This is how they implement some kind of things. They started gradually, before you know, it just there like that. You that have spent maybe so many years, you are a care worker or something. We all know how we become care worker in the UK, you know. We're never having the certificate at home. Just like auxiliary, just like a diploma for 48 hours, how to give them medicine and all of that. I know definitely there are a lot of countries today whereby even they make people, they can only pay the people that went to universities. That's why even the money they are paying you, maybe £15 per hour, you're feeling is too big. If you were to be a graduate that really studies and all that, who got their BSc and whatever, how not to they quote on, maybe money go reach €50 per hour. So right now, what are they trying to buttress here right now? They are debating it, whether what the government of the day is saying that the British-born people is the one that's not going to be doing it. Then what now happen to Nigerian working there? What now happen to the people from Soweto? What now happen to the people that's in Kenya? So that's why I do tell us, don't just have job here today in Europe and feel relaxed, at least, or maybe you have acquired what you need in life, you know. It's a continuous struggle. A lot of people left Europe, Spain, Italy, Germany, going part of the UK because of the jobs that are there. But today, by the grace of God, the reason why we give this awareness most of the time, nobody's calling right now to explain this thing from. Please, if you live in UK, call and come and explain what the kind of English they are speaking there. Because the reason why I'm not going to dwell on that, I would have bring out a lot of revelation. So they are there. Maybe they know how they are going to digest it at the end of the day. But we pray that such a thing never happen. That's why I put it as a breaking news. Then we're also going to talk much about Nigerian politics. So, is it how we have concluded for our continent to be? Is it how we have concluded? Or any of you have any form of equation at all? Is it algebraic equation, simultaneous equation, almighty formula, and whatever? Which one now do you think is going to be suitable for us to use to feast up our nations? But what was my suggestion previously and up to now is that we should first of all discolonize our mind. Let's first of all have good mind towards each other. We are the dying Nigerians. In 2017, I call us brethren is suffering. But nobody is ready to keep that a brotherhood, that we are both brethren in suffering. That's why today, if you read our politics today, simply in Edo State, all they don't talk about there's no light in Edo State. Nobody complain of good road. That's why for somebody that live in Nigeria, who have been adapted to the system, they love sleeping in darkness. And they are sleeping, so far they are pumpers on your day, their table there. It is their life they are choose to live. And right now, you have come abroad. There are things again that God have taken away from your life you never want to do again. It's when you start driving the car, your car will sink. You can't even body to the man poto. Or you don't use electric to the cook, they will just seize line. You can no longer live those life again. Then you are now siding the same people who is immune to darkness. Who is immune to be doing bad things. And if that same people have the opportunity you have, they have resident abroad. How many of them have ever one day supported you? That because of deportation that is happening in Italy or deportation that is happening in Spain, that they are protesting in Abuja, telling Spanish authority or the world do call UN and international community, don't deport our brother. They don't do it. I flew from Spain 2017 ending to go and join forces together to stop bilateral agreement that the then governor of Edo State came to come and sign in Italy. But how many of these your brothers that you are clapping for today, how do you think they mean well for you? How do you think? A friend of mine told me yesterday, Sunday, we were discussing. He said, no matter how that war may be, somebody must still live to tell the story. Not be everybody go die. Even the situation of things right now, not be everybody go see suffer die. But what God looks is your contribution to the society. The kind of mind that you have towards humanity. He what speaks for you. Maybe what gave me the voice today or what gave me this adjustment today is as a result of my father's grace was transferred to me. That's why I don't have father in the Lord. If I'm going to even call anybody father in the Lord, I should call my father in the Lord, because I learned a lot of this from him. The struggle for a better society, I see him doing it. That's why for those of us today, maybe there are still some areas in Nigeria, you contribute money to buy transformer. My father, he is the one that will first of all stand up. No, let's go and do this thing. There was a time in Igbonaduwa, from the middle of Igbonaduwa, they were using transformer up to Rominya ending. Then the which were conferring, that time we are using 250. I think they call it KVA. 250 KVA. When the wind confess in Awolo, they'll say that they will fly, put for transformer. My father will tell them, maybe if they are in the meeting like this, he will tell them, shut up your man. Why can't be saying so bad thing una dey put hand? Say not be una dey disturb the light. We are supposed to be using 500 and we are using 200, 250. That was how my father and his friends, they agitated, they donated a huge amount of money. Another transformer we had bought, not be to donate, to donate money for transformer. Then what was my father agitating for? So that nobody will ever spend money again on transformer. But today, the scenario is still there. Because we signed it as a life contract that you must buy transformer yourself. This was supposed to be the duty of the NEPA from the federal or the state chapter or something. So when they now brought the 500, my pa mobilized me come on for house and my younger one and some of my friends, okay, ahwe, you have a pole electric river where they'll bring electric pole tomorrow. We went and do it for free. Some of the poles they changed those asume. And Igbunaduwa, my father, he called me out. I have to be there. We did. He get my father and he just the way I see me at times display some kind, even though he don't need that thing, he knows say that thing go use to tomorrow. He get one digger. We ran for me, not be whole, one digger. Now let my papa get time for that area. Now we take digger. At the end of the day, Igbunaduwa will not have it constantly. Because I don't tell now before say, not be which they disturb this thing. Now be overloading and they kill him. How does he know about that? Because he chooses to know it. Why a lot of us today, we are still working in that same idea. So, okay, now, this thing before, what did they call it? Teacher's house. That river that was there, not be Oshomoledouan. Now, Oshomoledouan. But to what we have, say, which the bad for there. Which the bad for there. That was the narrative we were taught. These are the same narrative today, that this is not going to be possible. Now, why are we not joining these same people that have been immune to darkness? They are immune to darkness. What they don't give them ammunition. The very day some Egbe wager for Nigeria get better ammunition, it's like they get a visa to America. A lottery to a sudden wealth. That's what you should know. They are comfortable. Now let you the thing they are fair. So you should know today. I just opened on my live video, Facebook this afternoon. Today being on the 25th of May, Monday 25th May 2020. To come and blow that cake again, that thing where they block is like a veil. Most of all, we know they see. These people, they are fighting for themselves. They are never fighting for you. How do you know person that fight for you? Just the way I'm right now. I'm not talking about what APC have not patronized me, despite the support I give to. No, we are talking generally about our society. Is it how we are promised that we are going to live our lives? That we cannot go home and enjoy ourselves? That if you want to do any celebration, you have to pay a huge amount for security. Both police on uniform, invite some Egbe wager, invite security, whatever. At the end of the day, it must cost you reach at least 250,000. Depends on how your level be for security. And that money would have been able to give you a extra cow, 2 cows. You need to pay for security. At the end of the day, you see people dying every day by day. But how many of our people care about this very one? Because every normal human being who have his brain at the center of his head, the well-being of the people is what he's concerned about. It's not, for example, Obaseki is not for APC. It's for AGA. It's for AAC. It's for IAICP. It's for PDP. It's for UPN. It's for PSS. It's for Egosa Grammar School. It's for Yogbe. It's for Rezen. It's for everybody. It's not made to serve the party, service the party. The well-being of the state. So how now come today that PDP is not being heard, Orion project is not being heard, nobody is complaining about that. Let whole government accountable. That project over there, what are you doing about it? It should be what we are doing. Hello. Good evening. God bless you. What's up? Yes. Okay, wait. Make I put on. Wait. Thank God. I have witness now. Chairman, just wait. Make I put on. Thank God I have proof. We know already. This will not be stage manager. I'm not a pastor. Okay, Chairman, tell us your name and where you're calling from. Thank you.
I'm calling from Italy. My name is Oni Osas Godwin.
Okay.
I stay around the Igbunaduwa Sasuwe.
Okay.
So the time you are mentioning where we have problem of life there,
yes.
Back to the Igbunaduwa to Oromia Sasuwe.
Yes.
Even close to Honorable House.
Yes.
So I can remember how your father, he would try to organize youth.
Yes.
Also youth. Make sure if the gutter is blocked or there's too much erosion,
yes,
they will come out shovel and the city to make sure there's a road.
Yes.
Anybody can pass after the vehicle or the line.
Yes.
So
Yes.
Your program is not for violence.
Yes.
It said just that people fail to understand those areas.
Yes.
So I almost thank God for your program.
Thank you.
But the problem is that people take stupidity as a right.
Yes.
So when somebody takes stupidity as a right, it become problem.
Yes.
So that is why you see our youth today. They take stupidity as a right. If you tell them this is the right way, they will say no, is that money? Was running anyhow.
Yeah, yeah.
Was running is very bad.
Yes.
So you see that people will be kind of ignorant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chairman, please, I want to, because you are talking to the world right now. I don't want people to start feeling maybe my work can't be there. That have we met one-on-one before? Have we ever wanted talked about maybe where na my area you from come or na Gnadua you there, or you just saw this program coincidentally talking about the area you are from?
I just entered your Facebook. I saw your number where you placed it after your amount. So
Yeah.
I just take the number from there. The number is there now.
Okay.
I saw your online. This is my first time calling you.
Yeah.
And, my first time watching this program.
Yeah.
Today, check. I'm not a fan top. I just entered today. I just saw it now.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I just watched it and I see that what you are saying is making sense to me. So that is why I have to
Yes.
put my mind there to listen very well.
Yeah.
So I thank God that if you take your father's leg or your father's character, so we are not lost.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I witness it.
God bless
So
you.
in that area, you can measure. It was very terrible.
Yeah. Yeah, it was very terrible that year. Thank you very much. Thanks for calling. You can see that it is not good to brag. And I never even knew that somebody from Igbenadua was watching me. And everything I've said. But okay, we are not told you. This is struggle. Even it was after my father's death, Igbenadua was tired. Do you know? Any letter gave government under 5 minutes. No person in that area. You no girl you want graduate with. You cannot withstand my father. I'll let him so we are. Go part of that side. Never the man I will do answer my question right now. Because you cannot face the exam. You not go face the exam. So you expect. That's why if you see me today, a lot of people, it's difficult for them to comprehend what I'm talking about because it's so moderate. So for we to have a better society, these have been things that we feel the pains right from time. If at all your father never slept with life, it does not compulsory that you yourself don't sleep with life. Everybody have his own life to live. So these people you are siding today, they are fighting for their belly. The evidence is there. Go and check it. Go and check it. It is there. It is there. You will come to a time. If you see Omo Egbe, we'll from my area come on down close to Romania. We'll carry shovel. Roadway don't spoil. We'll go they put sand. Omo Egbe Junction there after Omo Egbe Junction. Before that, two upstairs. So we have been serving to make sure we have a better society. So, okay, now if person like us, for example, happen to be in politics, at least things will get more better. That's why the very day you leave home, you are going to put your society in a state of doom because there is a purpose why God has put you there. The letters with them are write. The letter, the petition with them write. It was after his death, Igbenadua was tired. They know your character, Igbenadua. People fought for it. I guess when Osomole entered office, now he can't see the files. He not just use Belefu contact Igbenadua. Because there is no prominent politician there right now. To what I feel. Okay, why not Testament Road? Testament Road is a major road. Testament Road is more major than Igbenadua. What makes it? Because the set time that God has set aside for that thing to happen have happened. So, the state you are seeing today is started right from time. So, we are to change yesterday's narratives. It's difficult. A lot of people is not understanding. How many Edo person have you ever seen speak the way I speak without not his own personal selfish interest? I'm not sure say they. An activist that will be criticizing the government today is not standing playing. He have just told you people right now that look at whom I'm supporting. That is to say, when we are calling them commercial activists, a lot of you may say, why go to call them? This is what they do. They have pre-informed you that look at the reason why I'm doing things. So if you are there supporting them, you are supporting them for your generation to sleep in darkness. Because they are used to it. Edo say right now is owned by some people. Now before me get level for Edo. Now the only person say you want to shoot me. My dear, may I live a better life. I go find the next about. If not even Cotonou, I go bored. May I go wrong? That is it. May get him aware that there. Because I've seen the life from another side. But there are people today, they are used to it. The very day they acquire a gun, or their friend get one better gun, my dear new one, my dear, they are comfortable. Because anywhere they are going, they are safe. That's why they don't show concern. Insecurity does not affect a lot of people. Most of the people you see in media, insecurity not they affect them. The same people it affect. Now your man, you send money go give for her, they'll teach your man. Now this day you go come from Jan, now they'll seek pity. How many of their men, Fulani men? Fulani men not go taught them. They are only taught more than anointed and do my prophet no harm. Now let those people be that one. That's why bad thing happen to a lot of people. A lot of people they are exempted. They are both Fulani men. They are both courtesan killing. There are people today they have the right to drive around till they go break. But may you go try. Where they can go, you know if you go there. So we want a society. I go to drive, they come from Termite or Hexagon or whatever. I go there my story. They mean why they are going here. Now let wait I go jam na police. Where are you coming from? I'll say okay, I'm Comrade Newton. So and so like they'll say okay, sir, you are very free. Carry on anything for the boss. Okay, I get 1K. The why me I want you. Why secure so why don't you? Not so supposed to be. But those states is like a state that has no security, because the main people, even when they go, or boss know them say me. Because if you go try them block road when they rob or you come control gun, they will attack your children for house. That is society we have to do. Then the question I'll be asking us, how are we going to leave this state of Ajagaduism? When are we going to see the glory of God in our lives? The Europe, they don't cast. Most of your brothers today, you feel they have resident. Some of them go put in to renew, it not go come out. Some of the case where they get for grant, they go collect resident from them. Most of us want to come home. What we have learned, we are not like those lazy people who came to Nigeria with empty head. No. We have built up ourselves. What we got right now is enough to build a country. But do we have access to it? That's why right now, even when we try to also talk to the government, people will turn you to a politician, even when you are never. Because they feel any person that talks about politics is already a politician. And you that is not a politician, what are you doing? And you are in Nigeria. Before you can come to JAD now, before you can get a contract in Spain to put in after 3 years, stay here so you get proof, it's 3,000 euros. And guarantee no even they say you'll get them. How are you going to gather 3,000 euros no work right now? Person that do normal work, your salary is 1,200. You cannot set that 3,000 euro in a year. Except you they do other business, the journal, you know they pay house rent, or you know they back lot at all, or a basura cloth. Now dustbin for the pack clothes. You cannot save such money. Every money we receive in a month, if for the expenses of the month, at times we'll still get carry over. Depends on the expenses. So I'm exposing a lot of things to you. So the people you feel you are siding them to get something from the government, not for a better society. That's why it is good that if you have anything, instead of you to be tapping them, and so, bro, chairman, is there a go? This one I go. Use your mouth, take talk. Because God has given everybody the strength to speak. The reason why God does not make you Dundee United, a United Kingdom, or it does not make you to be in Liverpool or Manchester, my days for a purpose. So you get where you go follow me right now. If I'm no longer saying words not in your mind, you can come and contribute your own quota. Just the way that guy called just now. So if I were to be lying, shame not let him call. That was who my father was. Now I want my door level. Today, if I'm intrigued, anywhere 4 or 3 apart for gather, I'm on bashing mass aromatic. Oh, you might see. We see miss your father out today. That's what they told me in 2017. When they were talking about my father, no yak pa do not me ya get us be. If you are coming to come and say yet in the kidun where there, at time apart the quarter con house. Why? Because somebody, just the way I hate a lot. I hate lies. I hate when you are not speaking truth to power. That was who my father was. He, I believe right now, is in the bosom of the Lord. He's there. But we have to still continue the struggle. So that make our children not suffer this kind of thing. After your departure today, you might have play pure, wear earring and all of that. What society are you living now for your children? Do you think your uncle go give that house where you don't allow your children sleep now? After your death, your uncle go allow them come that house? Or will you when no carry where go wa? He go allow your children where they jam come and read that your hotel? My dear, you are wasting your time. Not until those state is good. You can go with your children, with whosoever. Even go with the whiteys, and nothing will happen to them. My dear, you have not made life. Because what you feel you got in right now, if your children have no access, they cannot even identify your own neighbor now. Go and gather builders in each other. They cannot describe your parlor. They cannot describe how your festivity you do at home. Igwe festival, they cannot explain it how it's being done. They don't have it in their memory, my dear. Whatever thing you feel you got in right now, you doing for your children. Now yourself you doing for. Now your brothers, where will give you water. So that's why I urge everybody, when it comes to the time, borrow money from the bank, give your children the best education. And learn not to spoil other people's children so that your children also will be great in life. What you put in there in the Boko Haram country, even your brothers, your uncles, they're not going to let them reach your children's hand. Because why? They don't know who be your uncle, who your uncle be. They never want them die together. How is it? You are in abroad, you have houses everywhere, you have castles right now. But fear not going to let you carry your children go. How many of Spanish citizens live in America that would be afraid to come even to their village in Spain? There is none. Everybody is happy to come. Are you fear time in Paris? If not be this coronavirus now, Spanish they buy their ticket down. Then they buy it down. 10 years ticket is on don't buy. Now you see around here say they see at €3 at times. 10 years flat. Dubai where they want go 2024, they go buy it down because they want it in a cheaper rate. Then what society do we think we are living now for our children? Then you are very comfortable today. You get where you go reach now. Go enter your body. Spanish they know they cure pneumonia. They don't feel the cure. Oh, why we are you allow money? Now you see go to be say home where you not first stay before. Now you can't get any money and want go stay. If your money don't feel now, your brother will first tell you say, man, you don't know say the devil said the house. That's why a lot of people who put their treasure at home, their family disappoint them. People that were expecting 4 flats, waiting they meet now 4 bedrooms from one village. That 500,000 can even do and finish. Reverse was the case. Then what are we talking about today? So what you used to do before, you can no longer do it right now. I will tell you somebody now, say, if somebody stab me for Nigeria, me, I go bleed. If I stab and they say stab me, it is hospital. Me ask hospital because I get excess blood for body. The water inside of me go feel preserve me. But due to they eat better food, I'll still give them the same stabbing. He ain't his hospital, but me ain't his so because I have extra energy. With the nutrition and the agenda as a me. You know if you expect lap pants of blood where you take the waka, or my work babe you or bog you example. But you will give up for road. Why am I putting all these things to us? That's why I do tell us here, don't mind my English. I prefer to use he for she. The most important thing I arrive at a point. So that's why this platform is not made for people who are not strong in heart. If you follow up this platform, you should know that I'm here to give up this revelation for us to wake up from our slumber. If at all you are not talking, stop supporting these same people because they don't mean well for you. They are for themselves. That's why you see APC chieftains, PDP chieftains, ABGA chieftains, none of them condemn this Fulani herdsmen. None of them condemn it. Because it's the same government. Their mission in the John 10:10 to kill, to steal, and to destroy. So they want you to also support them. That's why when you are saying, Obaseki, hey, don't they do so no good? Hey, this and that. You're the part, follow them. Remember, they live there. They are comfortable. But you cannot stay there. Imagine you that have been abroad. As long you do construction in abroad, your finger long now, that year now, you know how you take make your money. You don't work one day, you know how you take make your money. So God bless you all for it. Now you want comfy go farm for Nigeria. Or now you they work for a building, you feed work for one day alongside with your service. You can't do it now. You know how lazy you are. If now so your papa lazy, if you don't fit take care of you, read today. So we become too lazy right now. All of us are looking for white collar job. There are people right now, they are not skilled laborers. Anywhere belief is not be. They are not bad about it. But if your society good now, there is something you will have in mind that at so and so time like this. Because the dream me and my friends was having in 2003, at least this discussion started February. We left March. No, January. Now we just talk and small. Or in February, we still am up. The anointing just came one. The dream we're having, as soon as we get something, we'll come home and start doing something. But right now, we are like people that is stuck abroad. Anything you want to do, my brother, you have to, who we are moving now. Other you go flop up. People that have left here doing business that have to do with light and all of other. Imagine right now, I'm going to site to go and do something. My machines I have at home. I buy generator for long, electrical generator. I don't want to buy all those one where they use this thing. Because that one they quit, they spoil at time. These are disadvantage. It get if you start and time. If coil just spoil and coil spoil. If your owner say electric they no work, you know say no work. At time you want that one because if my car you think big guy that aside, you know. Now, all those are electrical machines. There are a lot of machines here we use. That's why I was telling my friends, would now me teach time to fix tires through phone. When I got to Nigeria, I see teach chance from 2015. You know, if could you know in the set in a professional now say where you for call yourself a professional, I be say or where a plier I work it has. Now recently they can't even get machine to the cotton. Hello sir. How for you, sir? Don't know what I contribute here. Okay, you want more speaker. Okay, you are free to talk, sir.
Lahawo etima oye na mewe able most of them they don't understand.
Yeah.
Let's break it down. You know, where a broken or now broken. Now because me so ne my so Benelli River when I follow the broadcast.
Yeah.
Government we man need Obaseki is doing good.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me like you tell me no this it takes time because of the runde when
yeah.
It takes time to bring light back.
Yeah.
And Otimana is doing so good.
Yeah.
I understand. Let our people know. Mami Oteme. Mana lose a chance in Ania. Obaseki yana ye wuru we ana miewe ya swai side of then then I feel sorry for my people.
No, I will back off. I will just I relocated my plans to other Africa countries.
Look, so you are doing so good. Let our people know. Let our people know. Tony the other Tony Kabaka. No, by the way. Tony, what is really wrong with that boy? What is wrong with him? What is wrong with him?
No, Boboyo now. Somebody you just come on media, all you talk about is party. Okay, what the man PDP give you? A PDP they are human being that there. A man of Ghana, a man AAC now, a man some other political parties, you know. So they want to turn the APC. This is what Obaseki. And those people should get it clear. This is what Obaseki is the government is for everybody. It's for everybody. But what's so special about APC? I don't know what's so special about this APC of a thing. AP is a party. I elected governor. I got a party elected governor. It works for everybody. I don't know why we are not getting it clear.
Me and Tony Watayana was so stupid and silly.
I'm not just getting it clear.
Just Selfish.
Party.
Oh Jesus!
Huh?
You
Party.
person that will buy into that stupidity.
Huh?
Selfish. Everything was selfish.
I'm not getting it. Agbonakpano now. Agbonakpano. No. After this very Agbonakpawa no. Then he wiro. That's why me kata. Iyana ze gbelema gbe awowa. But on so waga igbe. If we were wawa before fair, that is just a fact. Wama rebel go come that Benin o. If ever what it don't really want you when no one way bad or no let come and because I'm not getting it clear the reason why I'm just tired.
Very brilliant.
Okay, man, ile PDP give any man. Man, ile see any man. He must be servicing you people. When I face it, na.
God bless you. God bless you, my brother. Contribute. God bless you. Sorry about.
Anytime you try to tell the truth, either people are trying to put fear in you and all that, or party all the time. In Europe, yes, they don't talk about party. They do party to campaign. A government is for everybody. But why will a Obaseki government be for APC alone? These, though people get it clear today, these are some of the prerequisites. These are some of the problems. Usome wala no roto na hina. Nema soma oni understand. Obaseki owe nemi sevo ya bonege oga ruonpa. O ma berio, o ma ke no yunu ya nejo ba ke uyo bone. Okay, men did I have anything to lose? My father today is gone. And he don't see Aena. Somebody just called from Italy to testify. He called from Italy right now to tell. That to say, even though my father don't want to borrow a hero, you would maybe have exposed him. So, what name are we leaving behind? Without taking the government of the day to become social media stuffs. Then you see some comment, people supporting evil thing. How many of these people supporting this government who have been able to raise their children abroad in university? Where are you go and confirm how many years your child go to stay in the university? America no, UK no, Europe no, where do I afford the money to train up your child in the university? No train on university in Europe. Why we supporting this government? You have not given your child a maso. Even they just went to another college when I'm a primary classes. The people that run here and there, I'm well known the way boy school. You can you pay €1 million to go school? Can you pay €1 million? How many of you can afford 200? Just come on 10,000. Really, your child is not going to school. Can you afford the 10,000 euros? In the Europe, you know, mama back with mama. Okay, me I don't know how to take the leave for the now. Imagine I will know how you live here. So supporting these same people to continue the government. At least maybe we can also go back home. Negative baby very megena. After 70 years in life, baby. They like it because they can afford their generator. Also, the reason why it does not concern them, Curtis does not get to them. But the most best yam we doing here is so funny. They are not natural. So the dividend of your bobo. You will labor for somebody, no I can only labor on his own. Then your father is farming today. Then you are European supporting one idiot. Everywhere we go when we are there, you the barrier. Do you better not kidnap you? Where how many people face kidnapping? You have ever seen one of our you have face kidnapping? They don't face kidnapping. They don't face humiliation. It is still only the poor man that feels the pain. Let me show us what happened in Orion today. In Uboko war precisely. It was up this email of how thoughts were being mobilized to go and beat one very guy. Why? Because of party issues. I'm not going to be deliberating more on it, but I just want to show us the picture how somebody will almost be killed. Look at the guy. He was almost being killed. I will read the news to us just now. What Orion local government chairman wrote, you know, concerning the act. Then tomorrow these people is going to be investigated. Then why must you kill somebody for election? Look at the guy that was mangled. Don't have only God knows. Huh? Because he's working for a party. Here abroad, it does not happen like this. Then away body man we don't want to practice the kind of politics they practice. For how long are we going to continue like this? See, Honorable Koro, Orion local government chairman, condemn attack on council secretary, call for full-scale investigation. Look at, according to what they wrote, EPN thugs attack me, Okonkan. These heinous acts should be condemned by all right-thinking Orion persons, which I'm condemning here. Why on earth would anyone report to violence just to get a political power? We are all brothers and sisters. This Honorable Sylvester Okoro speaking. I know it will be an humble man from time. This is what he wrote. He never insulted anybody. We are all Orion. We are all brothers and sisters. Do you have to kill to claim a political leader? I therefore call on the appropriate authorities for full-scale investigations. Those found capable should be persecuted. Honorable Sylvester Okoro Orion Chairman. That's what he wrote. Now, if this same person will, okay, now, what are they dragging? What are they dragging? And these same people, what proactive measures are they trying to put down to put security in our states? Then if you are there, most of you right now even supporting this bad government. Agbuwa mama now. Agbuwa mama now. Imoto ye keke na pen maybe fi. Maybe there at least. Imoto no be maso maybe street or maybe say 40. Maybe mimote boni moti maybe masse. Ebo yeve iya be vieva e spavana vio kwa supermarket. Ebo yeve vio. Me mami o ya do wade. Usha say gilo wo wuji. Ebo yeve ya vio. So what are we talking about? Not be say who say hunger day. No put food for fire. Not be only one they hungry. Me that want a better society. Look at the society you are living down for your children. Is it forbidden? What is 4 years, for example? Okay, now, may your bring light finish. They suppose, why are you people in hurry? Waka migone, waka migonane. The people that will be complaining, they are not complaining. One day you sleep, you don't wake up. Don't think. Why you almost alone? One day you just sleep, you don't wake up because innocent people are dying. We have more youths in Libya, in Mali. Our guy today, I want to pay human trafficking. People calling me from Mali. From Nigeria now, let me not say Edo. From Nigeria now, they carry people to Mali to go and hustle. To go and hustle and pay 2 million. That's the latest thing right now. Maybe the journey cost about 150,000. Or they have 850. No, we saw you have Dr. Uwego. Hello, Chairman. Hey, what's up? Now, I did live. I did live broadcast. Okay, you want to contribute? Okay, you are highly welcome. Okay, you can speak now.
Okay, but you see the problem of Nigeria, in as much as me, I like Obaseki, we should stop supporting second term. All the government that come for second term, no one they do work about. We need to learn our lesson. All of them don't come back for second term, no one they work. And if their person won't finish, now until they rush, they do work. We should be wise enough. Because this when I talk now, they feel marker after 8 years for Baseki, they will remember me. Because all of the way don't come back for second term, no one they work. So if they just want to maybe 5 years, they just do 5 years commodity, better for all of us. So 8 years is too long, but they think they better money.
Yeah.
So that's just my opinion with that one.
Yeah, from the thank you very much. From the perspective you are talking from, that to say the system need to be changed. To what we are saying right now, you need to complete this project. You need to complete this project. At least this light issue, we need to run it up one by one. And any government that is coming, it's not okay now. If, for example, that person died now, with his brother, allow you to even go there, they will start hunting for your family. One thing that those people should know, to kill, apart from maybe the governor, if the government of the day take kill illegally, it will charge to court and it will face the necessary charges. It happens here abroad. So it get where I go there above the law. It's just that we have a lawless society. That's what we are facing today. Hello, what's up now? Good evening. You want to contribute?
Need to give government second chance again.
Yeah.
And then if to say you for ask that who's person that body support. You for ask that who's person that body na pastor is saying that guy they support.
Actually, at times I love to educate people. Let's do it. Let's do it educational class. Yeah, he just made his own opinion due to what he have saw before or he have seen before that politicians are doing. But he later concluded by saying that if now 5 years would they give them, that one cannot be amended right now. So every reasonable person should know that Obaseki is supposed to finish up his 2 tenure.
He said that we get any support. Oma Geta.
No, Ewebo is he going to hope to come? He just voice up his own opinion now. He voice up his own opinion.
Okay, bros. Okay now.
He voice up his own opinion. We are not going to be doing this thing by quarrel. Even when we mobilize the war, one who are voting, and that's just the fact. So, so let's see. If baby now the team book then we call it a day. That mentor now. We call it a day. So 10 billion who save his egg on one basket. So you have yourself to blame at the end of the day. So we are doing the best we can here. Now the time you go to come, everybody will give account of his still worship. This is my still worship, and nobody's paying me for this. We saw an activist who have been bombarding Obaseki. At the end, it is because he was having somebody in his mind that is going to support. So why would such a person? Do we even share such person's video at all? That he himself is in the system. I mean when he they don't see anything they do those kind of people. Hello, what's up? Let us not make it a conflict. I've already settled that. Contribute. Just speak on that and not dwell on that issue again. That issue don't already pass.
I want to say, Oshomole, first thing, all of us still support him. I say, well, his second time I be. Even Obasanjo.
Hello, I'm hearing you.
Okay. Oshomole, first thing, what did he do? He walk at me.
Yeah.
The second time was the greatest mistake Enugu make. Even Obasanjo, since Nigeria get democracy in 1999, who ever come back for second term with the we could declare ourselves the truth.
One thing you have to know, now this very government, so everybody come put out. There are a lot of people that does not know what is called politics before because they put fear for our body. Say, man, if you don't get gone, you don't fit up for politics, or if you don't get too head. Right now, even our EA for her don't know what to be good government now. So this one, it just be like when Showare come that and everybody come to say, man, we physically donate money to take our country back up. But at the end of the day, if face nobody will donate such money again. If we try this one right now, because the way these people are coming, if they have come on a normal ground, it would have been good. Now, can you best tell me what is the PM motive of running to make sure Obaseki leave the office? Or have you ever wanted to see their campaigning? Did you think in any way they meet better? They meet well for our society?
As far as someone let me go for those things.
Okay.
Let me go for those things.
So you just clear the hair now. You just clear the hair, but what is on ground?
I want Obaseki win because if Obaseki don't win, obviously win. If I want Obaseki win second term, now so people talk to abroad. I want to make him win. The same mistake with the place for Buhari.
Yes.
I want Obaseki win it. That's all this thing. So if you win the work, now all of us benefit.
Comrade Saliba, why hold on? Can I finish the line? Yeah.
So I pray make you win. Now
Yeah.
my own. But they should try to do amendment to that constitution. Too long.
Okay. There's no problem. That's a very another good opinion. That's another good. It's good so that if you just do five years, come on, other person still come try. It's okay like that. But what we are seeing right now, Obaseki should complete his tenure so that the light issue should be off once and for all. Because the motive by which these people are coming, they are suspects. So it's never a good motive. And even the people campaigning for them, none of them talk about the well-being of the state. It's for themselves. Hello? Hey, what's up now? It's like we've talked before, right? You called in one of my programs before. And I told you to send your name, you did send, so I did not store your number now. So you can speak, no problem. We are on her. We are on her. You can talk.
Okay, thank you. Actually, like the last guy when he talked just now, the guy now point to come on that kind of no president or governor we don't second term say they're not the good in talk.
Yeah.
But right now we don't enter the modern life, right? None of the one will tell you because of this our new phone, this phone. Where they don't come out now, they make sure say everybody they know where they go. Not be like before they just hear we know they see. Right now, anything when they happen less than 1 minute.
We don't hear them, yeah.
So the really important thing when I want to talk is for Oshoman just want making cause problem for Edo State.
Yeah.
So if you say not that problem where Oshoman they want making cause for Edo State, if you go bring another person come out because you know say any fight we want come out now for Edo State now beneath there.
Yeah. Now Benin want use against each other. So now, Pastor Sage say na Benin, Obaseki na Benin now. They be pure Edo now.
That one is number one. Then number two, you see that light where Obaseki want bring. Come my brother, let me say at the rate. Now my 21 years now the spend for Milan right now.
Yeah.
You understand? Light there Benin Edo State, Nigeria, the first city where we bring up 24 hours light. Let me say with the rate, at least 40% of Benin people or Edo people. We go back home.
Yeah.
Now that light, now the reason now light, now the Oyibo, now the cause Europe.
Yeah, now light oh. Now light.
Or not Europe, not the kind of people they take for here.
Yes.
So that light and security, now they take passport. On that thing,
you know the yeah, that's true.
We must pick up.
Yes.
Now light. Now
yes.
Because once a basket is common. Uncle, believe me, that life is condemned.
No, you go condemn all Baseki project. They go abandon.
I don't want to contribute to that one.
Thank you very much. Another caller is here. Hello. Hello. Good evening. You want to contribute? Okay, just hold on. Let me put it on speakerphone. Okay, Chama, you can talk, sir. Tell us your name and where you're calling from.
No, I'm Imam and I'm calling from Eating.
Okay, the floor is yours.
Well, I'm not brother, I'm also army.
Oh, for it,
Because I'm going to do that. I want to everything I'm not at the home. It is all your Paco.
Yes.
You don't see the book. What of that?
Yeah, go on.
So he said, someone of them want to use this, you have to pay a lot of so Benin, so that Benin will not grow.
Yeah.
And he said, I don't promise you win. If you win, he said, I'm not going to do it. You know, but he don't say, why are they 4 years to get here? No, he just wanted to put it before. Yeah, he's going to have the life, and so.
Yeah.
He's going to work. And he said, he worked with Lucky before.
Yes.
So he was talking to Lucky. What did they do? Nothing.
Oyama gwalo. Na wane gwalo no o ma me ne do na. What is here? Averi ma bigi ma o keke ni ati ebo yo. Ni awa di asen wa yo. Okay, yeah, what Baseki? Yes. Yeah. Not because of conflict. If it's there, Yamo have even campaign in his PDP with PDP oye. A lot of us would have supported working, have a APC power, and have a damn with the other side. Okay, right now you are not there fighting from your distance. So you don't have inferior motive. Inferior motive of one man now. Inferior motive of man. Yeah. Yeah. You know, a party and governor those states in Nana. That's why the thing is not circulating around. They give just Obaseki party to change the narrative in Nana is a problem. Chairman, we're close to 4 minutes in, and I will call out. Because Obaseki tried to change it. You know, to change the narrative of something, they're difficult to say. Obaseki tried to say now, okay, whether you win from APC, everybody, development in Amuri, you don't just invest on an individual, you invest for the future generation. I invest in you. So, I politics here, I let one. Or mommy who campaign no one, who will campaign working now because of the dream. The person may not make an amu than the state. But although your mama who will campaign for your personal pocket, will campaign. And there's a Bible verse for you. We are coming, though. It's no longer going to be easy. Where you enjoy what you get from Edo State. I am not you while you the fear. You go the fear. Hello? That network bridge there. Let me just quickly call Honorable Stanley Imande. He called before. Hello, the Honorable. Name your speaker. Okay, you are on here.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir.
God bless you. Please, this caller, if you are calling back, you call back, okay?
This is Matthew from Brandon.
Okay, you are free, sir.
May God bless you, sir. I see your handwork. May the peace of the Lord be with you.
Amen.
Sir, one thing I see for the issue of this Obaseki, I know one of the reasons why so many people hate this man is because the man is not sharing the constituency project money.
Okay.
What I want Edo people to know is this. It is time for we the Edos to come to a geographical boundary to ask ourselves a good question. Among those politicians which we are supporting today, Obaseki, Ariave, Oshomule, name it, among them, who is ready to repair our state?
Yes.
As for me, I know that Obaseki is one of the best governors so far. Please, my Edo people, it is time for we all to know that yes, this is the time we see someone that acts like Ogbemudia.
Yes.
Not those politicians that just want to siphon Edo money.
Yes.
For their family.
Yes.
Okay, I remember at the time of Oshomule, he employed what, he implement the one they call Edo Yes. First tenor, second tenor, after everything, Oshomule have looted all our money. Use our money to go and develop Kenved. Okay, look at the employment that Obaseki did of recent. He make all of the permanent staff, you understand?
Yeah.
Why would anybody should hate Obaseki, my Edo people? What has Obaseki done wrong to you people? If someone hates Obaseki, that is our own personal business.
Yes.
They should not use Obaseki problem to rob all Edo people.
Yeah.
In order to be saying Obaseki is bad, Obaseki is bad.
Yeah, that's true.
I want people to know one thing. If you guys have eyes, most of you don't see. I want you to go and climb the tree. Do the according what Zacchaeus did when Jesus arrived. He went to climb the second.
I'm alive.
Seeing what Jesus is
I'm
doing.
alive.
Let people go and climb a big tree or upstairs.
But if you, I can, who will I contribute? I'll make a through now.
Obaseki have done so far. Obaseki is
okay, when I try, I'll call you back then. When I try.
Obaseki must go for the second time. Thank you very much, sir. That is my contribution.
Okay.
It's time for Edo youth to come together.
Okay.
And let's speak one mind. Thank you, sir.
Okay, God bless you. That's a very wonderful contribution. The development of Edo State, we need to do it together. Let us not leave this war for only the people that are politicians. I think Obaseki have been able to also let us understand right now. You can be another person and contribute to the best of your quota to your state. If you watch it, the governor house is open. If you have any idea, put it. The time when I say they insult people, children, put it there. They go watch them. Most of the things we are doing here, the government, they are aware of it. They are aware of the one day history will remember you. You know, like what Martin Luther King said before he was assassinated. He made the last speech. He said he's seeing the promised land. Those things today, right now, we are using it. That there are people that are prophets. So you must, in your little way, you are supposed to also be a freedom fighter. A freedom fighter is not just somebody who come and insult everybody, who use one person's name for 3 years. No. Freedom fighter are the person who agitate for a better society. That's what freedom fighter is all about. So it's not maybe when you have problem with the government, you know that what you have done, don't scatter your name. You hate somebody. No. We don't do anything because of hatred. If Pastor Zeye Yamu had meant well for Edo people, we would have known by what he's doing right now. Please, Obaseki, I just came to APC to come and help you to make sure we retain this very position. Make sure you work well so that if we are vying for this very position again, so that APC will continue ruling the state. Let's assume PDP are not ready. Then after that, then you will be the next person that APC is going to bring up. Why are you in a hurry? And Pastor Zeye Yamu, to me, he has finally killed his political career. The charisma of a leader is no longer in him. Because a leader that causes tensions, you know that you're coming with cause tension. Okay, right now, what about this very guy that was beaten up in Orion? If he died, Pastor Zeye Yamu, do you think you are still going to be after election? Or you they vanish? You know they vanish now. Let's be frank and realistic to ourselves. What you are launching for right now, if God said it's yours, it's yours. But there are fights you are fighting. God will never support you for such a fight. You are not fighting for the community. Okay, wait till you bring out your campaign list. What the people that see campaigning for you for? Pastor Zeye Yamu to come. What is your proposal? What do you have for the people? Obaseki, the megawatts of light is bringing, is your own more than his own? Or is there any project you put down before that you want to bring? I did not hate any of you, but it's good we speak truth to power. Particularly right now, all our activists, we are known that all of them are glutton. Thank God they have their children in Nigeria. A lot of them have their children abroad. So if the Kasala burst today, that even the state government right now is not focused, how will a government that is not focused give you security? It's impossible. We need to be very frank and sincere to ourselves. You have a son and you want that son to know book. May write exam, may pass. Then they disturb my way. You go nagan, you not cook. Now so this one. At times, somebody needs rest of mind to discharge his duty at times. If I have a problem right now worrying me, I cannot come on live video. If I have a pressing need right now, maybe I have to go and borrow money to eat today. I will not come on live video. I have to first of all save myself. So the government you are worrying, it might not regret. How do you expect such government to give you security? What Obaseki is going through today, can any of you in your lifetime withstand it? You cannot. So make una suffer, make una not go key because of election. Every single life is valuable in the sight of God. Every single life is valuable in the sight of God. Hello? Please, sorry, you will be calling, and anytime you call, somebody always there online. You want to contribute? Wait, me and put on for speaker. Just hold on. Please tell us your name and where you are calling from.
My name is Nausar.
Okay.
Come from Italy.
Okay, God bless you.
Yeah. I want to contribute because this is your platform. I like them a lot.
Thank you.
You see later in the sense that you talk what you believe and you still come to their own idea, what they think.
Yeah.
But there's one thing I notice about Nigeria, we Nigerians, we are not like. For example, you the people now, that is your own personal opinion. On that person will sit talk. So now say this how the dynamic will go say 2 heads is better than 1.
Yeah.
Because again, I mean at the work now somebody does something say you know could make person stay 8 years for this thing. On that person is going to say why that one will talk like that, that one are FPC. It's not like that. It go be like say now 4 or now 5.
Yeah, that's true.
We would be this Western world. We need to try, for example, they try to put it together. You also Igbo now. You know see their parliament. They everybody they talk.
No, they on the youth church the fast. So now Africa they for the fast. The youth church each other ahead.
If they talk your view, it don't become enemy to them. It's very bad. What me I believe, if either Obaseki or no Obaseki, what me I want, first of carry am comot make dem no go kidnap am
for your neck. Yeah, that's true.
So, yeah, so if security dey, you see foreign investor go dey come. Another thing wey me I want, any government will be, make dem try any way form job for those ones who say them, those jobless people who say graduates say they no dey work. Make dem see something by that way can go use. Don't be say Obaseki or Shomela or Yezeyam. We are not after that now. Who go help the Benin, make the Benin move forward?
Now,
go to the top. Not say we dey quarrel with each other.
Now, Chairman, let me make it a discussion class. Let me quick through this one. Don't you think that if, for example, Pastor Yezeyam were not having a evil motive, let me use that word evil motive, no apology for that. Now, is it wrong for him to bring the idea that he has? What effect is coming to come and do? Give Obaseki part of it to help his administration. So that at the time Obaseki come out, say, okay, you come the party, Mona can't grow the party. Let's assume to make it sustainable, Mona for continue to the rule. Like saying, I mortal inheritance, for example, let your Edo person, Obaseki and Spakizage Yamu, they are typical Benin. Oshomole this thing is questionable. If from the same local government.
Yes.
But I do not believe in the ethnicity. Now, why this man trying to cause the tension? Do you think everything I have you ever one day start they come the campaign say if I this one? No. I submit most of my things here in social media, and the government of the day benefiting from it. Do you know how many ideas I've shared? Our brothers at home, they want go do, at the end of the day they go fail. I've shared a lot of ideas here. You know, that's how me feel say, man, I will take go forward. Not say, man, you must come there now, come execute your plans. You were one first in government during the liquidation. What did you cut out that? How many schools did you build? Or what Harvard were you able to give to the lucky? Now keep the state now. Not be make we can say Oshomole say na demigod because Lucky Gbenedion did not do anything.
Yeah. No, me I understand it perfectly well. We are still saying the same thing right now.
Yeah, I know. I just added that one to it.
Obaseki or Zeyamu, they not go see enter there by themselves. Now people will see vote them in. You understand me? So as the people will see vote them in, that's why this one what you do now. I say some of these government officials, they watch out for beneath there.
Yes.
You understand me? And this thing, whoever, for example, me at this thing will see the goes right. You will see they give them idea for more things.
Definitely. Chairman, no perfection in humanity. That they learn from us. That they learn.
If he can make move on, that's not the problem. But let him do the necessary to tell people. But what I was going to say, I want to speak against Nike. This one say you will bring topic. Somebody bring your idea, or another person will come, you be like an insult. We are not here to quarrel. We are here to enjoy the program, and we still left from inside. Doing that, the government official will see they work for beneath there. You go see they give them more ideas to see they do things.
Yes.
That's what I try to say. I'm not just against Obama, may no carry on. But no, we try to see the adults. We will see the Western world.
Yeah. Because a quest for a better society, not be quarrel will take one. We need to educate ourselves. If we are giving every point, we'll make it clear.
Exactly. If they are against, the economic corruption, I against your own opinion. Simple as I just talk as my children, we are still friends. You understand? You don't me say we quarrel. APC, they are enjoying themselves. APC, PDP, they are enjoying themselves.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
This one I said, this one my contribution. We are friends, we are brothers. Let make everything smooth. Because now we go see both the government in.
Yeah.
And we say we listen like Obaseki. We will carry on with that. What is the vote now? Who they vote like PDP say Obaseki not want to enter. Now people will see both.
Yeah.
Everybody need to carry on. We move on with that. You know, we move forward. Okay, see the one we show just I will say the break person head. That one now, I have to say, that one go to the day on now.
But you know, say once you pursue dog, jam war, you go back now. So that's the thing. Thank you very much, my brother. 6 minutes something is gone. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. One thing we get to know, a guy wrote something there. I know it's not a constitutional right, you know, but one thing we all get to understand is this. Why is Pastor Sagede Amuto inquisitive? We should ask him that question. There's nothing good bad about asking. I don't want to be kind of too insultive today. Let us ask Pastor Sagede Amuto, why is he too inquisitive? Why do you not want to, because of you, after hiding your children abroad? Then you will maybe get where you get private job, you want to carry them once the war happen, you know. But if you not cause this tension, thank God say now who eat. Rats not fit eat food, maybe go to water school. So now hell now still take carry am. So there no tensions about that. So more kuna continue to escalate the tension. Me where they tell una now say me they tell una the truth and not like am. Then instead of una to speak truth to power, una say no. Then if it happen, how does that concern me? At times when lion and lion are fighting, do you know what the vulture do? The vulture will go and stand there. After they might have finished killing themselves, there will be full fruit for the vultures. So Mona go show na power. Why are you in hurry? Okay, now is it mandated that Pastor Yamu, you must come be governor? What Obaseki is facing today? How many governors have faced such a thing in his own party? No governor has faced such a thing in his own party. They always join hands to fight the opposition to make sure that they get. Obaseki doesn't even have opposition right now. Then APC is having another party on top of APC. So who get power pass? But Mona not kill innocent so because I see blood flowing. That one is certain. You don't even need to go and meet Oyedipo or Adeboye. No, I see blood flowing. Blood they flow. So if you not like, Mona escalate the problem. When you escalate down, you see what is going to be very bloody. So Pastor away no saying no Bible. You better submit it down because if people children die in the course of you though aspiring for governor, my dear, God know the way go take do at that time. So if you love your children, if you know you love the state, make peace reign. It's not compulsory. You have stressed several times from the PDP and it's not working. Then you would have stayed there. Maybe we would have supported you. So that make APC for still come on. PDP go come on. So if you were to be trustworthy, you would have stayed in your party. Why cause it commotion? They say you have this thing. But those people, they are not footballers. Who are they? This one will come say, oh man, thing. The Edo won't live on for now. Waman Rema will start to agitate for the Edo. Ask you any war flag. We'll still do that from here. The word that can happen, why we not hear the war? We also agitate liquor of Unanyans. A new one, have EU. Have EU. Well, for stop our children go continue from there. Because Sakamuwa or Bungwe. Click to power. What you have, let this government finish. Make that not happen. Instead of Donald Trump right now for Americans to start dying, he prefer to step down. So far your children are secure. Why not even let Edo people choose on their own? Una know as una affect the mago. This one will talk on his own. The other one will come on his own, you know. Hello? Hello, good day. Load the one you are watching from. You cannot be expecting me to be talking to you through the set you are watching from. Talk through the phone. Hey, what's up now? You want to contribute? Okay, just hold on. Let me put it on speaker. Please, you have to talk a little bit louder because this is a normal card now, not a phone there. Then tell us your name and where you are calling from.
Yeah, my name is Moses. I'm calling from Germany.
Okay, you are welcome, sir.
Yeah, I really commend you first of all for your good work and for letting people to share their opinions.
Yeah.
It is not easy for you to organize a platform like that. I'll be watching your platform and I see that sometimes you really talk sense.
Yeah, thank you.
You know, we Nigeria, especially the Edo people, when we see the truth sometimes, they like talking.
Yeah.
And we are so shy away from the truth.
Yeah.
For me, because I will not dispute anybody who is coming to power.
Chairman, let me quickly say this thing. You can dispute. No, not anybody that is coming to power. The one you verify that have good mind, now you go support. This platform will support good government, not anybody that is coming to power. Like the way they are campaigning right now, talking about party. Why will somebody be so partieristic? All you talked about is party, not well-being of the state. No, you can dispute it. We have the right to dispute it. It's democracy.
I believe that I went to Benin not quite long before this corona, so I saw the little changes. and the changes really please me. So, but there's something I really want to say, because we have opinion, and we should keep this opinion to ourselves so that we don't spoil the power that we are having at this moment.
Yeah.
Because you see, people will talk, just like the last caller. You say anybody will want come power, make it come power. You know, concern about what we need.
No, it's supposed to concern us. Yes. That's where the problem lies, because, Chairman, we have over-muted. Such words shouldn't be used in this platform. We are supporting good governance. Not anybody that wants. Yeah. Chairman, Tika now, okay, terrorists go just come. See, do you know that Germany you are today? That way, Chairman, make a talk, more make a discussion class.
I remember the time.
Make I quit tell you this one first. Make I quit tell you this one first. As a Jelema Keran, I've been a prime minister for there. Could you think they never want to even hear Adolf Hitler of Germany? They don't want to hear him for that my country again. Who mention him? They feel give and fly heading. Not anybody that wants to come, my brother.
Not be lie. When it comes to Oshomole, I remember when he was national chairman for under tolerance group of company. Because I work under the tolerance group of company before, I realized under the union activities, I know how it works, and the way things were a little bit difficult for workers that time. So I really pray for the present government and for the good work they are doing. And I pray for Edo State that the prayer that we all are praying should come to pass.
D'accord, enter this thing. Hello. 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 Hello, Chairman, talk.
Yeah. So I pray the good works of Edo State to come to pass, and we now begin to face what we have faced before from the past government. So we all should put hands together and make Edo better. So our wish and hope is that.
Yeah.
So if Obaseki come back to second tenure, we also pray good for him, and God should strengthen him for empowerment when it comes to light and security.
Yeah.
So we all should, when somebody open a platform like this, just the way you open it, we should try to always control ourselves. You know, because they always read the comment where people they write. This one will insult this one, this one will insult this one, you know.
Yeah.
It's this is where we are having a lot of problems.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And many people will think maybe one is bigger than one, but many people can pull out their opinions just the way they think. But the people that are saying the truth knows what they are saying. Just the way you are talking now, you know what you are saying.
Yeah.
And you want people to believe what you are saying because you know about it. But some people will sit down there, they don't know what they are saying, and they just try to condemn other people.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I know what you are saying.
Yeah.
So let us continue to join hands together to make Edo State work good for us.
Yeah.
We all love Edo State, and at least when we are going home, we're not supposed to be feared.
Yeah.
But this one, when this election will come, killing go day here, killing go day here, killing go day here. They must kill first before they will know the election come. The one with the key, they never solve that one finish. Election one start now, they don't start another one again. That one now fear for those states. So the one with the say make it come out, we don't know. We say no good. The one with the come, how would they not say good?
Yeah, no, I'm not be there. Whether they start say it get people. I take get the people. May go EU, may go explain all those people who they be. My brother, they give me one do arrange, I go rest, my brother. Even the comment with me they see here at times, they make me the paro. Everybody get just a day, you know. So
you see, because the way you start, right from the day you start your platform, I follow you, and I don't know. Now one of the video, live video, I would say I will ever watch that please me, that when I open my Facebook, I would love to watch them. Now I have to follow you. Anytime you get new video, I always get up immediately.
Okay, thank you very much for that.
So I thank you very much, and
God bless you.
Continue to do your work, and God will continue to
Yeah, amen. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right,
Yeah.
bye.
Because the reason why a lot of people, they always kind of begin to misquote people because they feel that the mind that other people has judge me by what I'm saying. If it doesn't mean well, I've not heard from any of Obaseki's cabinet. We get to speak truth to power. That's what IACP is meant for. It's all about advancement. It's all about improvement. So that's that. So if you feel the state government from Lucky Time, the people that be there, go and see Odubu now. Those ones, if me Odubu stand, you just say they will even toss it, get money pass. If me understand. So they don't get too ahead. What they do right now, they suck down the state, put it for their children. You are still going to become a slave to their children. Because their children are still going to grow up tomorrow. They'll first put their position where their father is getting. It's not a mortal inheritance. If you feel Obaseki second time is not constitutional, it's not mortal inheritance, then why must you allow the same people that be in politics keep on ruling you? And when they doesn't have the right to rule, all they still believe on today, you must shoot gun before doing election. I think they have a lot of ammunition right now in Benin they are going to use. But when two lions are fighting, do you know what the vulture do? The vulture will go and stand somewhere and be watching. When they finish killing themselves, there will be free food for the vulture to eat. I just made the parable to you people. So person will say, man, you know now your matter now comes to cause tension. At least make their wife talk to them. Make their children advise them. Papa, mama, more than not let una matter cause problem for this state. You are tearing the state apart, and they are not going to use their children. Let Oshomole bring out his son in the forefront. Make his son mobilize. Pastor Sege Zeyamu, make his son mobilize. May Obakesi's son, make his son mobilize. Make the rest of them follow their back. Are you seeing them? They use your money also to kill you. This is what I want us to get clear. Pastor Sege Zeyamu children, they are not going to go and cast vote for their father. In election day, they will go and drop their children somewhere. They have where they drop their children. Election can be going to Benin. Maybe 2 weeks to election. Either they are going to fly to Ghana, stay in one big hotel in Ghana in Kumasi, and be drinking, watching the DC in telly. Their wife probably may not be around. It all depends. They will first go hide their family. Now you the one use. Let Oshomole son come and campaign for Oshomole. Obaseki's son to come and campaign for Obaseki. Osage Ezeyamu should be at the forefront, mobilizing men for his father, not you. Because you are what have you benefited? 2 flowers they want give you, the bag gun give you. Carry the gun, come jammed. Carry and come jammed. That will live where you live. Come live on for jammed. Now come now. Come. Oh, mobile wale don't walk boy. Oh, gbogbo you egbere. Now that time you know say men they pay. Men they pay for it, not they pay for here. That's why he may move there the whole Spain. While mobilizing the Wagboma. Say the case they carry and give me. Where one mobilize where you know one level, you be color. Mobilizing where bomb me go with till now. Bomb have European one now. Time me. Then what are we saying? Then we are using our level to intimidate people. Okay, now what have these politicians done about the killing that happened in Edo State? Who shared this gun for these people? How did they got the gun? What administration did Obaseki mean? Nobody want to tell the truth. If they were criticizing the both government, maybe God for not refusing me and support Obaseki. But they put Oshomole aside, as if Oshomole was God. That leave what happened, Obaseki come scatter everything. He don't scatter everything. This is how he made the administration. Salary, teachers were not receiving their salary, their personnel was not being paid. He had to clear so many bidders on ground. You should know Obaseki is not a talkative. Obaseki, I know as a governor, I'm seeing it from distance. He has decorum. He's not a talkative. There are a lot of things he still keep in his hand. Because I cannot make bad word. Have you ever seen him use any bad word that somebody will regret tomorrow? Like all those Akpavio and Nupasia. Like dog. If you see Obaseki and Oshomole today, both of them have nothing to regret. Apart from the political issues with the ground. But me and you, do we also have anything to regret? You have betrayed your generation. Now your children you betray. The very day you support this very government, bring them back again. Your children, imagine your children come from school, now generators see they worry them. You are the biggest fool because you are not fighting for your children. You are fighting for your pocket. What did my late father, blessed memory, say? He said, we eat so that we might live, we don't live to. Who are the yagbon to riba? Who are degi? Who are the yagbon to riba? What is as bad as that? Your children is in Nigeria. You can even buy. Do you know they have bad effect in generator? In those kids' life? Okay, when we zuwa, we zuwa, na belu wawagmo. What is wrong if your children grow up with life? Awa. Is it forbidden? Okay, you are the people fighting today. How many of them? Their family they Nigeria. The people fighting today now. How many of their family they Nigeria? Go and confirm. How many of their family they Nigeria? The one with family they, you know, say man, it don't they arrest visa because the society they feel they are fighting. There is a society their children cannot be able to live. They cannot live there. Because the atrocities whether they commit and they worry other people's children. One day they will get loop other people see worry their children. That's why they don't keep their family at home. Why don't let them? They have one that would have taken care of their family. Why would they carry their family abroad? We pass through land and form a family here. They carry their own with money and kept them here. Who is deceiving who? Why we no one wise? Who is deceiving who here? Who is the biggest fool here? You that cannot even fight for your children is still using generator to. You are still only generator for your children. So you are a fool. A walking man in who? The same frustrated life you are living is what you are living down for your children. Okay, what is modern? Salary, we are seeing development coming. Is it not the same development Usagi Zeyamu is bringing? What Usagi Zeyamu, is it going to bring heaven? Not the same thing one bring. Okay, the people right now, the money, our money will fair, they go somewhere that we are being used right now, paying workers and all of that. Is it not the money is going to be sharing? Why would somebody be coming? He's coming not because of the state. He's coming to enrich some group of people. Then that is what you want to you want to. My dear, if I can be 70 years or 18 years away from home right now, I can choose to live the rest days of my life here. Thank God they are in heaven today by the grace of God. So they live down the legacy and we have to follow it up. You know. I testify to you from the beginning of this video how them and Papa they donate money to the buy transformer. That is today is still the era. Why Oshomole not change the narrative? Why Oshomole not change the narrative? Then we want everything to be done on that one tenor. Is it possible? Since you have been in Europe now 4 years, what have you been able to achieve? Most of all right now that even support you, have you been able to even get your resident here abroad? That's what we do. I will hear now what maybe and they to me. So who you help? Who not they help? Ojagu rule Edo State now. Go and see him today. The word that can happen, you obey house for Jan. One day, Ogbale will see collect and government will collect them for because you are not going to be able to declare it. So we have seen people who were rich. There were those days in the early 2000s. We do see people that do rain, all those parade, but go see all of them today. Most of them they end up in front of the market. All those names not they rain again. So now so political this is still be political money. Why woman? The children that will be great will be great. Obaseki was father a politician. The pastor say Yamu today. When my papa built house upstairs for village, where was his father? May show you my family background. If he were even richer than my father, for example, I'm giving instances here. So that is like today is applying for a governor, so it is. So as they are giving money for their children, also you also fight them to make sure they give them a good society for your children. It's vice versa. As you are campaigning for them, let them put down the society down that is also safe for your children. Then you are there because of a muzzle of food. This will make it so to sell his birthright. People are still selling their birthright today. In the book of Genesis, after this, read now, chapter 25, verse 30. Esau came back from farm. He said he was hungry. Because hungry for one day today, right now, this is what all of us is still doing. We are selling our birthright still to these very politicians. And we are not careful in selling it. Campaigning for the wrong people. Joining multitude to commit evil. And perhaps nothing is going to come to you. Nothing is going to come to you. Since you are building the gun, what? Come on, if you are putting here in Spain, come and write, put you are so and so person. You know Pastor Sage Zeyamu is your political father. Go put him. Person will not use the name pass road. You cannot even use Pastor Sage Zeyamu in the airport there. For Lagos, you don't even use one. You cannot tell immigration because they don't know one. It's not everybody that believes in this your politics. You can only use it there in Benin. Measures of people's name. Since you have been doing it, what their political whatever, what have you brought to exhaust it? Our youth are migrating away from home. Right now, our youth that started migrating in the 90s, we are now putting it upon the head of Obaseki. But the Oshomole that banned back, not be doing what Oshomole banned back, people will no longer have a job. Because not be everybody belong to that one and click. That make people, that was when we have the most mass migration to Europe. Now, most of them still live there today. By the grace of God right now, I just play what I'm doing, you go through, you know. We are going to be going, try to see the best way we can, liaise with some people, how we can pull our people, some of our people, with their traffic from Benin there, or Edo State or Delta, to Mali to go and hustle. They will carry them come house. What have you people been doing? Even with the little you have not been doing anything. All you do, or my go what we know like do. Oh my lad, where will I go now? Where will I go now? Don't you know you are pushing people to go and be training bossing already? You force people to go and train bossing. Because you cannot carry a gun from Nigeria to here. And there's no way you can acquire a gun here. The very day, una fit one for them, can't shoot person for jam, make you wrong. They must catch you. So the way you people have bastardize your country is not like this here. So the bad people they run threat for what? What are you doing all those things for? The government look at how we are choosing government. The way we are interested to choose a government that will favor us, we are not even interested for the betterment of the society. Here I see some fools. Your children are growing up to suffer the same thing you suffer. What have you done for your children? Just for you to eat in the belly. Your children will still grow up tomorrow. Have that same cake idea. For all of una way they jam, may you never use your head to carry with it and plan. Me una dey there. Me una carry natural so mona. Ne no ye ma dey ne. E to wa borrow. O me go no be se ban. What bank una for the borrow? They will block una no fit borrow again. You just buy you want hurry come now. Come they impose something on tax women. Now one person will just tap on one day or what they will woof one. People are getting frustrated or every day because of your truancy and your jagadoism you guys are doing Benin. So let's not get it twisted. This will not be for only one person. Look at what our people is to face in UK right now. Let me play it to us once again before I end up the show. You know. Let me play it for those of us that are just coming. Now so we pass. Now so we pass enter this thing. We'll conclude it
today
here.
I want to unveil our new message to immigrant key workers. Get out. We at the government are all very grateful that you've been risking your lives to take care of us in hospitals, to grow our food, to deliver us post, to keep us clean, drive our buses, trains and taxis, and, well, do all the vital things that have kept this country running during the pandemic. But we need to let you know that once this pandemic has been sorted, we don't really want you in the country anymore. Which is why we've announced new immigration policies that would class the vital work you've been doing as low-skilled. Under our new points-based system, anyone earning less than £25,600, which is pretty much every key worker I mentioned earlier, will no longer be considered as having any worth whatsoever.
Our approach to the points-based system is for the brightest and the best. It's for the high skills that we do need. So yes, we will bring overall numbers down by reducing the number of people with low skills coming to the United Kingdom.
So yes, you may be the only thing stopping us from dying from a fatal illness or starving to death, but because you don't earn enough, we just don't consider you the brightest and the best. But I don't want you to think we don't value your contribution. So, we've extended all visas for immigrants working in healthcare for 1 year. We know enough to worry about.
I'm not a bloody politician, okay?
Threat of spreading and catching COVID-19.
I'm not insulting you, but you can also read the Bible. It's not an assignment.
By the lack of adequate PPE.
It's not an assignment, okay? I'm not going to any comment.
We
I'm going to go pull and one pull there.
We no longer need you. So finally,
is it everything you must write?
On behalf of the government, to all our key workers who are doing so much for the country.
Oh, God, Daniel Green, you also go and read the Bible. It's hard to read, though.
Thanks a lot. Now leave.
So this is what is happening right now in the UK, allegedly. So we don't really know what we have to do about these things. And one thing I don't love about people do, you have your live video. The network at times in Europe is affordable. You can always speak your mind. You don't have to follow me. It's not compulsory you follow me because your following me is not helping me. It's not helping. I'm only the one people are calling, making control. You can also come and head your view. So that if you mass line, they go insult you to your comment. The next time you go know how to talk, you know. Do you think it's easy to talk the way I talk right now? Who taught me that? The Bible where I not be Benin for Noah. Now Europe here, because that day. We know they get so many things we know the thing. We the plan, think how to pay bills. We know they pray, say, hey, life, come on, hey, praise the Lord. You they praise the Lord for life, still for Nigeria. And they said that shall not mention the name of the Lord that God is. You know how many times your brothers and sisters pray for light at home, but you doesn't pray such prayer here. Then whom are we deceiving? 21st century, then they still don't see have a light. Okay, what would be more than a government setting up light already? We are saying what would be more than that? Don't advise me to read my... You can also read your Bible. Come and quote one verse of the Bible. I was never a pastor. I never want to be a pastor. I'm an activist. At times, what we feel we write very well to correct somebody or to put somebody in line, you are accepting the person. I'm not happy about what I'm saying. I'm not a politician. The person not the talk for politics. This is what made the Agbero today take over everything. I don't want to be a politician. At the end of the day, the war finished. Where you would have occupied, where would you have occupied? You give on to them. So that's why they are using you. At times, I blame them. There are areas where I blame them. Why they are area? I'm in support of what they are doing. That's the benefit they can give to the society. Is to help the government. In return, the government need to reciprocate back to them. That's what you are saying. You are here telling me I should focus on my back, I should leave politics. Now, two-headed, they run politics. I know the way politics is being run here abroad. They know the slogan. Pablo Iglesias is one of my favorite politicians here in Spain. The vice president today, and Pedro Sanchez. By the grace of God, I've got to live. I'm going to meet Pedro Sanchez in Moncloa. I'm going to meet him. I'm planning towards that already. So more than 14 no say man. Not be say I want meet and say na God. I must say I want see him. You get what I want tell him. And they will open door for me. They have very verify me whether I was a terrorist or what I've contributed to society. So you don't tell people to focus. This is how we are really missed it. Telling me to leave politics. Politics is our Bible now. You will not hear that when we were talking about authority in the book of Romans chapter 1. Just read down from 2 verses there. And no, the book of Romans chapter 13 is there. You know, everything about government is in the Bible. Maybe you are EPN. If a pastor is that to be truthful to himself, there is a verse that condemns what he's doing today. There's a verse in the Bible that condemns Pastor Zagizamo of what he's doing. Because he clicked to power, he had promised his boys a lot of things. But let them get visa and come to Europe. Wanyado, Manyadian. Because we are paying our dues here. So don't just think you can see us in the street and send your boys to beat us. A boss who are fine him, our way be community that una boy they be rat for year. What I way yes, una this had not theirs. In while in Morocco, he said, this was how they kill a lot of people in Morocco with this same man they've gotten. One more. Why can't we?